Um, hey guys, it's Mia, and today I'm not editing this video, because I don't feel bothered, but, I'm doing a haul, and it's a haul slash what I bought home from Barnstable. So, in a VHS bag, I've got PJs that have been washed, and Poundland bag, which is the haul part. It's a very small haul, so I decided to add in what was in my PJ bag from my nan's. So yeah, so let's get on to the haul first. So the first thing is from Poundland, and it's this Millie Accessories cat ears, and they were obviously like £1, and I really wanted some cat ears, and I wanted some quite posh though, as in like, I don't know, like more nicer branded, if you know what I mean. But these were the only ones I could find, and I thought, well, if I find others, I can buy them as well. So I'm just going to try them on and see if I like them. And if I don't, then I don't like them. Right, so I'm going to quickly get some scissors to cut them. Now I'm going to try them on and see what they look like. I quite like them, bless you do. So I wouldn't have them this far back, so they look a bit crazy, that far back, so yeah. So you literally, even if you have like, you just literally put them on and you don't have to do anything like under your hair, you just put them on, so you can have them the other way round if you want as well, like that. So ignore that side, I'm going to have them this way now, but yeah. And then in from The Works, I got this book, which is amazing. It says I love to sleep, and on the back it's like that, and it's really pretty. So that was £2. Well, if you want to be particular, it's £1.99. It used to be £7.99. So it's a really good deal, and it's lined, but they're quite thick lines, which I love because I have big handwriting. Yeah. And I'm going to use this for revision notes because I've got SATs next week. So yes, and then that was, like I said, from the PJ bag. That's it. First thing I've got is this nothing to wear top. Just looks like this from New Look for £7. I've got these Christmassy thick PJ bottoms, like that, from Primark, which came with the top, and the pair was £3. This Frozen, I don't like Frozen, put it out there. I got it for my sister. Yeah. This Frozen top, it just looks like that, so wear to bed. And that was from Primark for £7, I think. And then these bottoms from Bored Angels. Bored Angels for, I'm always putting these so far back. For, I don't know, £12. They're quite expensive. Yeah. But so yeah. And I don't know why. I would like to wear these cat ears to school, but nah, they won't let me, will they? I don't know, thumbs up if you like these. Yeah, that's my blue drawings. Anything else? Oh no, sorry it's the non-vlog today. I just forgot in the morning and it was too late. So yeah. And this isn't actually a sticker that I actually attached, which was surprising. But this one obviously is a price one. But I think it looks quite tumblery. That makes any sense. If you have Tumblr, you'll know. I don't. I just like watch, for instance, like DIY Tumblr room decors. But I don't know. It just looks really cute. I thought, and it sums me up. Even the back looks cute. I thought it sums me up because I do love toothpaste and yeah, I like the colours. I love black and white. I wear it literally all the time. I've got it on my leggings. Black. And I love blue, which is literally the colour of my wall. It's a purple blue / blue. So yeah, I think this is going to be good for revision, and yeah, I'm going to write revision notes, I think, or I'm going to make it as a journal some sort. I'm not sure. Comment down below what you should think I should do, whether you think I should write like little notes, like revision notes, or you think I should use it as a normal book. You think I should write my everyday in here? Do you think I should write my deep dreams? I don't know, comment below, because I trust you have better ideas, basically. Yeah, and the sticker's getting stuck to it. So, I don't know, I'm really adored these. So, yeah, sorry for the short video,